Hi, my name is Albert Godey, and this is my assignment for the Standards and Conventions screencast. The two websites I chose was Prime Video and Sky TV. Both I did get from the top arts and entertainment section of the website requested. You can see here, this is the Prime Video page, and this is my example of a good design standard. There is one nitpick here, which is this very first screen. You can see that it wants you to go to Amazon.com to watch. So why even take you to this initial screen? And it seems to be that if you look down below the button, if you live outside of the United States, you have to go a different route and log in from this screen. So for some particular reason, they must have to make you do that. But since we are in America, I will click the button so we actually see the content. And so it's the very familiar Amazon page with all the toolbars across the top that we're familiar with. And then as we scroll down, we see our movies. They are uniformly laid out under different categories, as we've all grown accustomed to with our streaming services. So the design standards are adhered to very tightly on this site. Then the opposite version of that is the Sky TV page. And the reason I chose this one specifically is that they make some choices that are unique, and if executed better, would be kind of refreshing to see, but I just found them to be kind of annoying in this case. And you'll see it play out as you scroll down. So initially, I don't see anything wrong with the screen. It's a media company, and so they show what most media companies do, snippets of popular TV shows to get you to subscribe to their services. But as you start to scroll down here, you'll see some graphical uniqueness, which is this first Sky box advertisement. This is actually the movement that's occurring is from my mouse wheel. So I'm trying to scroll down the page to see more content, but until I finish playing out this animation with my mouse wheel, the page stops moving. So first time I saw that, I thought something was wrong with my mouse or the web page. And then once it completes, it lets me go. So I continue on, and they have it in here again now with this graphic. So while the rest of the layout is fairly standard, the addition of those two animations, they make you stay on the screen. They kind of lock you in, hold you captive until you go through the animation, which is far outside of the design conventions that we're all used to, and a little too bold, in my opinion. But those were my two examples. Thank you.